Sold out. All my pineapples are gone.
Hello, Paint Girl. Can you help me bring more pineapples to the market?
Don't worry, Farmer Ben. We are on it. A red tractor with a trailer would be perfect for this. Red tractor and a wooden trailer. Ready! Let's load 'em up.
Stop! Monkey Bandit is stealing the pineapples!
Oh no! Our tractor!
Beep, beep, beep!
Magic brush, help us catch him. Caught you. Stealing is wrong. Now, write an apology and help us fix this. Look at all these pineapples in the water. We have to save them before they float away. First, write your apology. Tell Farmer Ben you are sorry for taking the tractor. I am sorry. Almost all of them. Good as new.
Thank you, kids. And thank you, Monkey Bandit, for helping.
Sharing is caring. Bye-bye. Draw and fun. Hello, pineapple calling. Did you like our pineapple adventure? Like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more fun. See you soon.